How to turn on automatic app updates on iPhone. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap App Store. Now, under the Automatic Download section, turn on the toggle next to App Updates. Once enabled, your iPhone will automatically download and install updates for your apps whenever they're available. If you'd also like apps to update while using mobile data, scroll down to the Cellular Data section and turn on Automatic Downloads. Keep in mind that this may use your mobile data allowance. For the best experience, keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and plugged into power whenever possible, especially when downloading large app updates. And that's it. You've successfully enabled automatic app updates on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.